Alright guys, if you want to confirm that your shift on the fly knob is indeed cycling through your tunes, I have a SoCal knob. Mine gives me 2 blinks for 2, 3 for hole 3, and 4 for hole 4, and I don't have a hole 5 running EFI Live. Okay, back to 1. To confirm through your AutoCal, we're gonna go. Mind you, this is plugged into my pass-through on my switch. We're gonna go scan tool, data logging, display data, CME, scroll all the way to the bottom. And what you're gonna see here is the last line. It says tune 1. Now as I go over to my switch and I cycle through, boom, tune 3, tune 4. So you know that maybe if you don't have the LED on your switch and you want to make sure that you're cycling through, this is just another method to confirm that your switch is indeed changing your tune files.